In this video, we look back at the 1975 series Starsky and Hutch. We will revisit the stars of the series and know their original names and age. We will know how they look then and what they are doing now. So keep watching the video. Paul Mitchell Glaser as Detective David Starsky. Paul Mitchell Glaser played the role of Detective David Starsky, the street smart and energetic half of the crime fighting duo. He was known for his curly hairs and colorful clothing. In 1975, his age was 32. Now his age is 80. David Soul as Detective Kenneth Hutch Hutchinson. David Soul portrayed Detective Kenneth Hutch Hutchinson, the more laid-back and intellectual half of the detective duo. He was often seen sporting longer hair and a quieter demeanor. In 1975, his age was 32. Now his age is 80. Antonio Fargas as Haggy Bear. Antonio Fargas played the role of Haggy Bear, an informant and streetwise character who played the detective with valuable information. Huggy Bear was known for his flashy style. In 1975, his age was 29. Now his age is 77. Barney Hamilton as Captain Harold Dobie. Barney Hamilton portrayed Captain Harold Dobie, the tough but fair police captain who oversaw Starsky and Hutch investigations. In 1975, his age was 47. Sadly, he died in 2008 at the age of 80. Charlie Picarni as stunt coordinator. Charlie Picarni served as the stunt coordinator for Starsky and Hutch, contributing to the show's action-packed sequences. In 1975, his age was 40. Now his age is 87. Lavenda Page as Rose Malone. Lavenda Page played Rose Malone, a recurring character who appeared in several episodes of a sassy and street-smart informer. She often provided valuable information to Starsky and Hutch. In 1977, her age was 57. Sadly, she died in 2002 at the age of 81. Alex Courtney as Police Commissioner Edsel. Alex Courtney portrayed Police Commissioner Edsel, a high-ranking officer who occasionally interacted with Starsky, Hutch, and Captain Dobie. In 1978, his age was 38. Now his age is 83. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.